Hello, and welcome to this video on the health benefits of coffee. For many people, coffee is a staple of their daily routine. It provides a quick burst of energy and helps people wake up in the morning. But coffee is more than just a pick-me-up. It contains a variety of compounds that can have significant health benefits. Section 1. Coffee and brain health. One of the most well-known benefits of coffee is its effect on brain function. The caffeine in coffee is a natural stimulant that can help improve focus, alertness, and mental performance. Studies have shown that caffeine can also improve memory and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. In addition to caffeine, coffee contains antioxidants, including chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid, which can protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Studies have also shown that regular coffee consumption may reduce the risk of depression and suicide. Section 2. Coffee and physical health. Coffee can also have significant benefits for physical health. For example, research has shown that drinking coffee can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that people who drank 4 or more cups of coffee per day had a 50% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who didn't drink coffee. Coffee can also help protect against liver disease, including cirrhosis and liver cancer. Studies have shown that coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of liver cancer, and that drinking coffee can help reduce liver inflammation and prevent liver damage. Additionally, coffee is a rich source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants have been shown to reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and other chronic diseases. Section 3. Coffee and exercise. Coffee can also have benefits for people who exercise regularly. Studies have shown that caffeine can improve athletic performance, including endurance and strength. Caffeine has also been shown to help reduce muscle pain during and after exercise. Additionally, coffee can help boost metabolism, which can lead to increased calorie burn and weight loss. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that caffeine can increase metabolic rate by up to 11%. Section 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, coffee is more than just a morning pick-me-up. It contains a variety of compounds that can have significant health benefits, including improved brain function, reduced risk of disease, and enhanced exercise performance. Of course, like any food or beverage, moderation is key. But for many people, coffee can be a healthy addition to their daily routine. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please like, subscribe and share.